Today we're going over a utility cart with a lid. This is on wheels. It's got a 165 pound capacity and 70 liters worth of volume. It's really cool. It's got 360-degree swivel wheels on it with two of them that lock in the back. So you can actually lock it in place and it won't move around on you. And what's cool about this is the portability of it. It's very easy, it's lightweight. It locks into place with these two clips on the side. You can pull these clips out, open it up, and it's got a little panel here that you're going to pull down and lock into place. And then they're locked. And the handle does extend, so you can easily move around what you ever need to move around, and it's got a lot of capacity. Like I said, 165 pounds is what this thing can pull. And what makes it even nicer is it's got a lid, so you can close it up. You can use it in the schools, in the office, or just grocery shopping. And due to the size and the weight of this thing, it's going to be very versatile. You can take it with picnics. If you have a picnic, you got food in there, you want to keep the bugs out, and close that lid, keep everything safe and secure. So we want to use this thing to go spend a day at the lake. You can use it for that as well. It's got a lot of capacity. And you can also tip it over from the front, and then you can pull it. So the handle itself is made out of aluminum alloy, so it's going to be strong and it's going to hold up, and the best part is it's never going to rust. Another cool feature about this is these panels on the side have a little bit of give to them, but you can slide this over and lock them into place. And when you're done with it, it's really easy to put away. It takes about 10 seconds. Make sure your sides are unlocked. You're going to pull up the bottom plate, close it, and then these sides will snap together and keep it from opening accidentally. And you can just carry it around and put it where you want. You can put it up on a shelf, throw it in your car, anywhere. So it's lightweight, portable, easy to use, and it's not going to take up a lot of space when you don't need it. So if you're looking for something good to move around stuff, take on picnics, or go to the lake, you might check this one out.